Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best method to use Cash App alongside traditional banks. Alright, so the best method to use Cash App alongside a traditional bank is to assign each with a clear role. Use Cash App for fast payments, for peer-to-peer transfers, and for short-term spendings, while relying on a traditional bank for savings, loans, long-term financial stability, and the likes. Link your bank account to Cash App and transfer funds regularly instead of holding large balances in the app. Route income through direct deposits if needed, and then move money out according to your budget. Keep records synchronized by reviewing both accounts weekly. This division of purpose reduces risk. It also improves organization and of course ensures that you benefit from Cash App's speed without sacrificing the security and structure of a full service bank. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.